How to set channels on Sirius radio. Turn on your car radio and switch the source to Sirius XM or satellite radio mode. Tune into the channel number 1 where your radio will be displayed. This is needed for activation. Go to SiriusXM.com/activate from your phone or computer and enter the radio ID from your radio. Follow the on-screen instructions. To create your account, select a subscription plan and complete activation. If your vehicle needs it, update the information system software to ensure compatibility with SiriusXM. To set your favorite Sirius channel as a preset, tune to the desired channel and press and hold a preset button until you hear a beep. Use the radio controls or steering wheel buttons to switch between preset channels or manually enter a channel number with the direct tune option. If you want to browse by category or use voice control, press the voice button on your steering wheel, say browse SiriusXM, then pick a category or say a specific channel number or name. For extra features, explore replay options to listen to recently played content or edit your preset list to add or remove channels. If you encounter activation or playback issues, visit SiriusXM.com/support or call their customer service for assistance. Subscribe.